This is the third part of 3 videos. Everything I've done up until this point will be in the other 2 videos in the description.
Wherever love goes, there is also misery. It's no mystery. And you and I, we got history, yeah. Wherever love flows, there is also tragedy. When we're in too deep. And you and I, we got history, yeah. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain. I'm sorry for all the pain. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain. I'm sorry for all the pain. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain. All the pain. With the memories like a symphony, and you and I, we got history, yeah. And when you're alone, do you say my name or you say her name? Yeah. My love, it grows with the memories like a symphony, and you and I, we got history, yeah. Love flows, there is also tragedy when we're in too deep. And you and I, we got history, yeah.
take you higher. Don't stop now, start that fire. We about to take you higher. Don't stop now, start that fire. We about to take you higher. Stop now, start that fire.
Step on the land, I've got your hand, and now we're way down, fade out low. Was it your plan? Can't understand. I love the air you bring, everything. Underneath the sun, a fire is burning. You tell me to...
So needless to say, this thing came out great. Now, I'm a huge fan of Fallout, and I'm really glad that the guy whose case this is as well, because I was really pumped to be able to work on a Fallout-themed case. In hindsight, there is a couple things that I probably could have done differently. For example, this front panel on the front of the case here took a really long time to make. If I could go back, I would probably make this front plate a little bit less detailed, just so that I had more time to work on more stuff, and instead of doing as much detail in the front plate, what with the tiny lines and everything, I would probably add another plate up here to this corner right here. He's actually going to have optical drive, so I couldn't cover up this spot right here, but I'd probably cover up this corner right here, and then I'd put another plate on top, which is just blue right now. It looks great, but it would look even better with some yellow up there too. Besides that, I wouldn't really change very much. The other side of the panel has a Vault-tec logo that's pretty big, and it has not perfect lines in it, but that's the best that you can do freehand. I don't have a vinyl cutter. A vinyl cutter would have made it perfect, and when I have one, I mean, everything I ever do will look as professional as it can possibly be. But until then, I have to do it freehand, which takes a lot more time, and it doesn't come out exactly perfect, which is unfortunate. But unless you're really examining it, you won't notice anyway, because I did a pretty good job. Now, just in case you're curious, this front panel is held on by VHB tape, which is extremely strong tape. It's actually meant to replace like rivets and welds and things like that, and it is on there permanently. You can pull on it all you want. I mean, you're not really going to be able to get a really good grip on it, but it is permanently on there. VHB tape is a really good modders resource. You can't find it in stores anywhere because I guess it's just too strong, but you can get it off the internet, which is where I got it, and I would definitely suggest doing that. The double-sided tape that you can get in stores, while it is really strong, and I did use the store-bought double-sided tape on these panels on the inside of the case, it's just too thick. It's almost 1/8 of an inch thick, actually, so it would look pretty bad if you stuck your front panel on with that thick of tape, just because it would look like it's kind of floating off the surface a little bit. And VHB tape is paper thin, and it's even actually stronger than that tape that I bought in the store that's really thick. So I'll leave a link to the specific tape that I used in the description of the video, and any other questions that I get in the comments that I feel like are good, I will put them also in the description and answer them in the description as well. I'm Dietec, and I like to mod computers, and if you want to see more of that, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one.